What's going on, guys? My name's Connor, and today I have a review for you guys on the Off-White Jordan 1 UNCs. So obviously these are some of the most popular Off-White shoes released. So I'm going to be breaking down all the details of these shoes, unboxing them and whatnot. So if you guys do enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as it really does help out my channel and get my videos shown to more people. And while you're at it, make sure to claim your 4 free stocks on Webull. I click the link below. All you got to do is sign up, you get 2 stocks for free and another 2 after your first deposit. So without further ado, let's get right into the review. Alright guys, so just a few details I want to go over before I open up the box. First off being the release date. These released on June 23rd of 2018, so obviously that was a few years ago. But right now these shoes are actually more relevant than ever, as the market on these shoes is absolutely soaring. So believe it or not, in 2018 when these released, they retailed at $190. And right now market is about $2,000, obviously depending on if they're brand new or not, the size and what they come with. But for these are going to be used size 10.5, which go for maybe $1,500 ish. But if you have a brand new size 8, 9, 10 or somewhere around there, you guys are going to be looking at a little bit over $2,000 for your pair of shoes. But I'll show you guys the box really quickly. Obviously it's just gonna have Nike right here. You can pop it off right like that and see the shoes. And then on this side you got the Nike. Nothing too special about the box. You guys can obviously see the size right here. So in men's it's going to be a 10.5. For women's it's going to be a 12. Then you can see the sizing in other countries. This side has Nike. And then on this side another Nike. Nothing too special on the bottom either. But I'll just open these up for you guys. First I'll show you guys the top one more time so you guys can see the beautiful shoes right there. But popping off the top, you guys will see this little plastic wrap. And just so you guys know, as I'm going through this, these are missing 2 different things to be completely original all. So usually sneakerheads say OG all, meaning that they have everything that they can with that release. Let's see if you guys can pinpoint what I was missing. So obviously we got the shoes right here. I'll break down the details of those in just 1 second before I show you guys what I got. But you guys can take a look right here and let me know what I'm missing. I'm missing 2 things. Alright, you guys had a second. So here are obviously the soles. Here is a replacement zip tie. So this is not the original zip tie, so that's one thing that I'm missing. And the second thing that I'm missing is the orange laces. I personally like the white and blue ones. I feel like they obviously go with the shoes. And I'm not as much of a standout guy as some other people that really like to flex the orange laces with these shoes. Don't get me wrong, they are a very nice compliment to them, but they are just not something that I really prefer to have. And so when I purchased these shoes, I did not really mind that they were missing. So now that we got the shoes right here, just a few things to obviously make these shoes off-white and just different than the regular Jordan 1s. First off being the wings right here are going to be detached. On the regular ones they're not. And you guys can see that it'll have the 85 right there. I believe they use that number because that is when Michael Jordan first used the Jordan 1s. I could be completely wrong. Please let me know down in the comments. I'm not as much a shoe guy as I am a designer guy, but yeah, I'll do my best I can to give you guys all the details. You guys can obviously see on the inside the sizing right there. You guys can see it on the other side as well. And then another thing that makes these shoes different is the floating swoosh. As you guys can see, it'll be kind of 3D right here. You guys can see it sticks out a little bit. So it's considered a 3D swoosh. And also the text on the side, which you guys can see right here as well as on the other side. And obviously Off-White for Nike, Air Jordan, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. And that is actually something that I know a lot of sneakerheads use to authenticate these shoes. Depending on the placement right here and right here. I do not know them as well, so I did have a buddy of mine authenticate these shoes for me. But you guys can let me know the best ways to authenticate these shoes so other people that are looking at buying them can tell. Just make sure to throw it in the comments, and obviously any questions so everyone else has the ability to see as well. And then obviously the university blue right here. A lot of people call it different colors of blue, but this is really meant to be a university blue. Extremely standout, looks extremely good, especially in the light. Try to get a little bit more light on these bad boys for you guys. But it is a super standout shoe. And one thing that kind of makes the orange laces look cool is because of this complement right here, right on the swoosh, as you guys can see. So this will obviously match the laces. So it's not just super random to have orange laces on these shoes. They definitely do go together, but it's just not really my preference, to be completely honest with you guys. And also the UNC colorway comes from Michael Jordan's first shoe. And the materials used on these shoes is going to be leather and rubber. So it does feel really high quality. I know people that absolutely beat these shoes and they still last a long time. I know they do look a little bit worn. They do look not in the best condition necessarily, but even when you buy them, they have these details right here towards the top. In the bottoms, they will be obviously a cleaner blue than they are now. You guys can see right here. But there's not really any heel drag, as you guys can see. You guys can obviously still see the stars on the toe right there. And then obviously on the sides, the color is still good right here. It's just mostly right here where it seems like a little bit of yellowing right where my thumb is. So obviously you guys can leave some tips on how to clean these bad boys up, but I personally have not done so. You guys obviously see the Air Jordan right there. Looks very similar to the Air Jordan that they used on the Dior collab between Jordan and Dior. If you guys want to see the bomber jacket, the messenger, and the t-shirt, I just did reviews on all those ones. But yeah, I wish I was a little bit better with shoes. I wish I was as good with shoes as I am with designer. But if I missed something super important, please make sure to leave it down in the comments. It would not only help me out, but it would also help out my other viewers. So make sure to do so. Thank you guys to all the people that like and comment on all my videos. I really do appreciate the support. Even though I'm a smaller channel, it does get recognized significantly. And so my final verdict of these shoes, I really wish I could try them on for you guys, but I am a size 12 to 13, and these are obviously 10 and a half, so they would not fit me. I heard they do fit a little bit big, pretty true to size, maybe a little bit bigger, but I still, even if they fit like an 11, they still wouldn't fit me. But let me know what you guys think of these shoes. Do you guys think that they're going to tank in market value? Because right now they are super hot and they're just going crazy, and it just seems to be going up and up and up. Do you guys think that they're going to stay the same? Do you guys think that they're going to go down in value? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm genuinely curious and I love to learn from you guys. But I personally think these are great shoes. I think there aren't too many other off-white shoes that are in the same category as these. And these are definitely in my top 3 favorite off-white shoes that have been released. And then as far as market, my personal opinion, I think that they're going to continue going up a little bit, but they're not going to go up as fast. So if you guys look at the beginning, they automatically jumped up in retail value. I believe they were going for a little bit over $1,000, and then they went up, and then they tanked, and then ever since then they've been going up and up and up. So let me know what you guys think. I really do appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. I'm happy to bring you guys the craziest items on YouTube, but you guys just gotta let me know. But I will see you guys in the next video.